Welcome to all. In this class, today I will teach you the type of respiration. Respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen and also take place in the absence of oxygen. Based on this, we have two types of respiration. First, aerobic respiration and second, anaerobic respiration. First of all, we know about aerobic respiration. The respiration which use oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration with oxygen respiration. The respiration which use oxygen is called aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, the glucose food is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and H2O. Aerobic respiration produces a considerable amount of energy, means more energy which get stored in ATP molecules. Glucose glycolysis in cell of cytoplasm produce pyruvate and oxygen add with food in mitochondria, because mitochondria is the site of aerobic respiration. Product CO2, H2O and 38 ATP energy, means more energy. During respiration, one molecule of glucose produce 38 energy rich ATP molecules. All the organisms which obtain energy by aerobic respiration cannot live without oxygen. This is because if there is no oxygen, they cannot get energy from food which they eat. Site of respiration, site of aerobic respiration. Mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration in the cell. In cell, mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration. Most of the living organisms carry out aerobic respiration by using oxygen of air, means with oxygen. For example, human, dog, cat, lion, fish, etc. Most of the plant carry out aerobic respiration. Most of plant carry out aerobic respiration. Second type respiration, anaerobic respiration, and without oxygen respiration. The respiration which take place without oxygen called anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, the microorganism like yeast break down glucose food in ethanol and CO2 and release energy. Not completely break down, but simply break down and release ethanol and CO2 and release less energy. Anaerobic respiration produce much less energy. Example, one molecule of glucose glycolysis in cytoplasm, means liquid part of cell. Pyruvate, two molecules pyruvate, yeast take fermentation without oxygen, product ethanol, C2H5OH plus CO2 plus 2 ATP energy. Here we get 2 ATP energy, means anaerobic respiration produce 2 ATP rich energy but aerobic respiration produce 38 ATP rich molecules energy. Now in anaerobic respiration, all the organisms which obtain energy by anaerobic respiration can live without oxygen. Please note that the whole place of anaerobic respiration, whole process of anaerobic respiration take place in cytoplasm of cell. Anaerobic respiration take place in cytoplasm of cell, but aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria of cell. We means the human beings obtain energy by anaerobic respiration, but anaerobic respiration can sometimes take place in our muscles. Again, we see human beings obtain energy by anaerobic respiration. Generally, we get energy by aerobic respiration. Sometimes we get energy by anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration sometimes take place in our muscles. For example, anaerobic respiration take place in our muscles during vigorous physical exercise. Excess physical exercise, when O2 gets used up faster in the muscle cells, then can be supplied by food. जितना एनर्जी फूड के द्वारा सप्लाई हो रहा है उससे ज्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत होता है जब फास्टर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, फास्ट रनिंग करते हैं, उस समय एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन मसल्स में शुरू हो जाता है। एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में 1 molecule ऑफ ग्लूकोज ग्लाइकोलाइसिस इन साइटोप्लाज्म, नॉट इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Pyruvate in the absence of oxygen, 2 lactic acid and 2 ATP energy produce. In aerobic respiration we get 38 ATP energy, but in anaerobic respiration we get only 2 ATP energy. The accumulation of lactic acid, जब हम फास्टर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो हमारे मसल्स में लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस होता है। ये लैक्टिक एसिड का एक्यूमुलेशन, द एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड इन द मसल्स कॉज मसल्स क्रैम्प, मसल्स में अकड़न, क्रैम्प उत्पन्न होता है। वी कैन गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम क्रैम्प बाय टेकिंग ए हॉट वाटर बाथ, गर्म पानी से धो करके या मसाज के द्वारा उसे हम छुटकारा पा सकते हैं। नाउ वी नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एरोबिक एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन टेक प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, बट एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन टेक प्लेस इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। सेकेंड पॉइंट, in anaerobic respiration, complete broken down of food occurs, but in anaerobic respiration, partial breakdown of food occurs. In aerobic respiration, the end products are CO2 and H2O, but in anaerobic respiration, the end product may be ethanol and CO2 in yeast plant and lactic acid in animal. Produce a considerable amount of energy. Aerobic respiration produce a considerable amount of energy, but anaerobic respiration produce much less amount of energy. Aerobic respiration take place in mitochondria. Take place in mitochondria. But anaerobic respiration take place in cytoplasm. Thanks.